Hello, queridos míos. It's Kelsey. I miss you all. I miss having classes with you all, and I hope you are okay. But for now, we're going to do classes online, and I'm going to be sending you videos talking a little bit in English about what you're learning in Spanish. So today we're going to talk about colors and the color wheel. Really quickly, just to review, we have primary colors, which are red, yellow, and blue. Primary colors are unique because you cannot make them by mixing them. You cannot make them with other colors. They stand alone. Then you have secondary colors, which are orange, green, and purple, which you make by mixing the primary colors. And then tertiary colors, which are the colors you make mixing primary and secondary colors together. Now, all together, they create a color wheel, like this. Now, along the color wheel, it's important to keep in mind which colors go together and which colors don't. This is important for graphic design, which is what you're studying right now. So, my friend Laura is here. Laura is my roommate. Where are you from, Laura?
I'm from Australia.
Australia. That's very cool. When I think of Australia, I think of kangaroos.
And koalas.
So our accents are different, we talk differently. So you all are lucky to hear two different English accents. Laura needs our help.
Please, help me, please.
Laura has been single for a very long time.
Yeah.
And she wants to go on a date, but
After quarantine.
after
After
quarantine.
quarantine.
So right now we're going to help Laura prepare for her date. She wants to look good. It'll be her first time leaving the house in a really long time. And she wants to wear this orange dress. But she was thinking it would be nice to wear a shirt over the dress. So we're going to help her with what matches and what doesn't. Let's start. First we have a black sweater. Black is not on the color wheel. It's a neutral color. It's okay. Let's see what else next.
So many things on.
So many colors.
Okay.
Green.
Green.
No.
Not with orange.
Not with orange. I wonder why.
Next.
Okay, this is a dark purple, like a purple blue, a tertiary color. It's an interesting contrast, but I don't like that.
Next.
Red.
Red.
Now this red is similar to this orange. Because really this orange is kind of red.
They must be really close on the wheel.
Yeah. I don't really like it.
Okay, next. Lucky I've got a few more options.
White.
White.
Okay, white is another neutral color.
I don't mind it.
It's okay. Let's see what else.
Let's remember this one. Next.
Okay, this is a maroon color.
Also known as burgundy.
Burgundy. I like it, but
Next.
yeah, I think you can find something better. Blue. So again, a nice contrast. I think these are actually opposite colors on the wheel, but it's a little loud.
Next.
A light purple. Kind of nice.
I like this.
Yeah. What else?
Good option. Next.
Pink. Kind of a
Very
orangey
similar.
pink. Very similar. Looks nice, but maybe too similar.
Yeah. Next.
Yellow.
Wow.
I don't like it.
Very loud.
Very
Very
loud.
bright. Okay. Last option.
Okay. You know, Laura, I think I just like your dress
Yeah.
as it is.
Maybe I should just wear
Yeah.
the dress.
Sometimes simple is better.
What do you think?
Let us know. And let us know why some colors looked good and some colors did not. Why?
Thanks for your help.
Thank you.
Hi guys, and welcome to this art workshop. Actually, my favorite color is red, and I used to wear clothes with this color. So that today, and it's my favorite color because it's a strong color. It's associated with the passion and love. Bye.
Hi, I like combine my clothes using red and blue. I prefer the contrast. Bye.